beautiful. I hope you're having a lovely day. You see the title, you know exactly what we're gonna be doing in this video. I'm gonna be checking out the Shein Sheglam makeup. I don't know if you guys know the brand called Shein. Basically, we do like clothes, shoes, and so on. It's like an online Primark in my opinion, but then who knows. We also started doing the makeup. We call it Sheglam rather than Shein makeup. I got their new released eyeshadow palettes. I got 4 in here. I also have in here the lip service scrub set. And I got some lashes. To be honest, didn't realize how big these lashes are. I'm not really a lash person. I don't know if you guys noticed. I barely use false lashes in my videos just because my own lashes are so long now, as I've been using the Lash Grow Serum. I'm gonna link it below if you wanna check it out, guys. Okay, so this video, let's just open up and see what we have. As you see, I'm not wearing any makeup because I'm gonna be creating makeup looks using these eyeshadow palettes. Let's start maybe from the Awesome Blossom. I love the names, by the way. So they say enjoy super pigmented formulas that feel as smooth as silk and last around the clock. Plus, there's no fallout or creasing with these luxe colors, because who has time for that? Big statements. No fallouts, no creasing. I mean, we're gonna see soon. Love it. It all has names. They named every shade. Love the shades. It looks really pretty. Very wearable. Let's just see how pigmented it is actually. You guys ready? Okay, so far, very impressed. You guys, this looks good. What do you think? Looks extremely pigmented. I am really impressed, to be honest. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, the shades looks amazing, but I wasn't expecting this to be as pigmented as it is. Another palette that I have is called Sheglam Sunflower Hour palette. Once again, it looks super amazing. So they say again that there's no fallouts, easy blending, and so on. Sounds amazing. Let's see what we have. Looks amazing. Let's do quick swatches. This is impressive. Like, I literally wasn't expecting these palettes to be as pigmented as it is. That's crazy. I don't even know which one I like the most so far. So we got one more palette. This one is called Cactus Cool. You'll be dreaming in green with our cactus inspired palette that serves up 12 super pigmented shades for days. Let's do some swatches. Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm super impressed of how pigmented the palettes are, because I truly wasn't expecting that. Sheglam clearly did a good job. So which palette should we start with and create a makeup look to see if it's really as pigmented as they state? Because on each palette packaging they stating that it's super pigmented, no fallouts, and so on, like amazing palette. So let's just jump in and create a makeup look. Alright, so I prepped and primed my eyelids already. I decided to go with the Sheglam Cactus Cool palette for all the greens. I'm taking the small dense brush and this shade in here. I'm gonna go in this part like halfway. Oh, so pigmented, guys. Oh my god. I'm just placing shade just in here, like halfway through, and then outer corner, kind of like the flick. Taking a fluffier brush, slightly blend it, just something to the edge. Blend this inwards to the lid. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm taking like an eyeliner brush, just smaller than C brush, in the darker green shade. What I'm gonna do with that, I'm gonna go like the eyeliner, just closer to the lash line with that. And with the same shade, going on the same part on the inner eye corner, we did this like half crease thing. So I don't want this to be super intense. And taking the fluffy brush, just gonna blend this part. So it's kind of visible, but then it's not super harsh. Taking the concealer and the eyeliner brush, and I'm just cleaning up this part in here. Cut crease parts is looking tidier. I'm taking this lighter shade and I'm gonna go with this inner eye corner to the middle and then kind of blend through what's left. Taking this shimmery green shade, I'm gonna go on the top of this eyeliner part what we did. So the eye makeup is nearly done. We just need some mascara or some lashes, whatever you prefer. Should we try and open these lashes because we have it in here? I truly wasn't expecting it to be as huge. Just look how these are. I mean, they look beautiful because it's a mixture of black and brown. I mean, these look beautiful, like they are proper good quality. I'm gonna take off 3 parts. Nah, you guys, these lashes are far too huge for me. I mean, I tried, but these are massive. Like, I'm not really a lash person, and these are just not for me. Eyeshadow palette, amazing. Lashes, far too much, so I'm just gonna take these off. I'm gonna quickly apply mascara, and we can move on to the lower lash line. So the eyes are nearly done. I'm just gonna quickly jump in and finish off a face and can do the lower lash line. Alright you guys, so I applied the foundation, some contour and so on. We just need to finish with the lower lash line and then maybe try this lip balm thing to see if it's any good. For the lower lash line, I'm thinking why not to add more green and use this shade. Coming back to the shimmery shade, I'm gonna go in the inner eye corner with this. A bit of mascara and eyes are complete, and then we can try this lippy. Let's try this lip service scrub set. We got the Cloud Perfect Lip Scrub and the Smooth Lip Mask. Let's try this. Smells like watermelon. Love this. Really like it. My lips like instantly looks plumpier. Okay, and another thing is the lip mask. Okay, lip mask is kind of like a balm or something. Okay, like a very thick balm. Maybe that's why we call it the lip mask. It's amazing though. Smells amazing as well. Just gonna quickly apply some lippy. I'm not gonna leave the makeup look like this, but the eyes are complete. What do you guys think of this makeup look? guys, so what do you think of this makeup look? As you've seen, it was super easy to create. Palette itself, at least the one that I just tried, super pigmented, you guys. They are not kidding with the things that they stating on the packaging, because they say super pigmented shades, smoother than a silk, easy to blend, true story. So I am extremely impressed, so it's definitely a thumbs up for me. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you tried already anything from Sheglam and what's your favorite product if you did, so I can check it out as well. Let me know if this video was helpful, if you would like to see more similar videos from me, if you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look. Tag me in your pictures, as I would absolutely love to see that. You guys make my day when you tag me in your pictures. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. So important. It's also totally free. Who doesn't love a freebie, right? And yeah, I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.